Coconut oil can improve the health and condition of your hair and overall can boost your hair growth. But you really have to know the best way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was looking for ways to grow my hair faster, but I was experiencing a whole lot of hair breakages and it got to a point I was experiencing stunted growth. But after discovering natural ingredients, some oils, and some recipes that can help grow your hair and also maintain the health and strength of your hair, my hair started growing much thicker, fuller, more beautiful. And since I'm not greedy, I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. Let me show you one of my secrets in today's video. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me, giving my videos thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I can promise you you're going to learn a lot from today's video. Coconut oil is really great when it comes to hair growth. It can improve the health and condition of your hair. It works by helping prevent protein loss in your hair, and also you can use coconut oil as a pre-poo or after washing your hair. But today I'm going to show you how to maximize the benefit of coconut oil. So I'm going to add some mint. Today I'm using some dry mint leaves. I'm going to measure about a tablespoon of my dry mint leaves. Then after that, I'm going to use my fingers to grind them into a powdery form. If you do not have this, you can also use the mint tea bag, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Mint improves the blood circulation in the scalp, and this will help you grow new healthy hair. Mint also helps in preventing hair loss, hair shedding, and also it can treat your scalp from dandruff. Mint can also prevent dry scalp. It can help you treat head lice. So if you're someone who experiences a lot of head lice or dandruff, you can add mint to your hair care regimen. So as I said, if you do not have the dry mint leaves, you can always use the mint tea bag. So all you need to do is to get a tea bag and get the dry mint leaves out of the bag. So you can see the difference in the two, but it is the same natural ingredient. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video on your social media platforms. Alright, so it is time to add our coconut oil. Coconut oil has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. In today's recipe, I used about 3 full tablespoons of coconut oil. And after adding my coconut oil, I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt my coconut oil and infuse it with my dry mint leaves. Coconut oil is great for hair in particular because it has a high concentration of an acid called lauric acid, a kind of fat that your hair can easily and quickly absorb. Lauric acid provides moisture to help nourish hair and tame frizz, and this will help you maintain the shine in your hair and also a healthy texture. When your hair gets super dry and brittle, you are most likely to notice the ends to start to break apart and split, and that is called the split ends. And what coconut oil does is it helps heal those split ends and also helps prevent them from occurring. You can never grow thicker and longer hair if you experience a lot of split ends. So it is very beneficial adding coconut oil to your hair care routine to prevent split ends and hair damage. Also, coconut oil can help treat dandruff by boosting your skin's good bacteria, taming inflammation, and even fighting dermatitis. So coconut oil is so beneficial, guys. I cannot even stress on it enough. If you're not using it, you must start using it now. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe in order to boost the benefits of coconut oil is my Moringa powder. Moringa is really great when it comes to hair growth. One of the most important Moringa benefits for hair is that it boosts your hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are all beneficial when it comes to healthy hair growth. Also, Moringa is rich in zinc and vitamin A, which are all very essential for hair growth. Zinc keeps the oil glands in the scalp healthy and nourished. So I added about a teaspoon of moringa powder. I was adding them in little bits because moringa is really potent and just a little bit will go a long way. So I was just making sure not to overuse the moringa powder. And remember, we already added some mint leaves, which also have some great benefits when it comes to hair growth. So the two together mixed with the coconut oil, and considering all the benefits I've just shared with you, no doubt that this will boost your hair growth regardless. So after adding my moringa powder and waiting for it to cool down, it is time to strain it. You do not want any particles in your hair. So it's very important you use a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or any material with tiny holes to strain your recipe. And I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to boost your hair growth. Once you have your oil like this, you can use it just as an oil to treat your scalp and also your hair strands. But there is one more ingredient I'm going to add to it in order to maximize the benefit and also add to the fragrance to this recipe. I'm going to add my lavender essential oil. Lavender oil will not only improve the smell of the coconut oil, but it's also going to add to the benefits of it. It can strengthen your hair strands, prevent dandruff, and also treat your scalp. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair or to solve their hair issues. And thank you for doing all that. Alright, so you could have used the oil acid, or you can put it in the refrigerator to solidify it. And this is how it looks. Once you put it on your hand, it melts right back. If you're someone who has a whole lot of dry scalp, scaly scalp, you can be incorporating this recipe to your hair care routine. I use this on my scalp, on my daughter's scalp. I massage it in. You can use it on your hair strands, on your ends if you're suffering from split ends. And the only secret to this is to be consistent with the use. You can use this 3 or 4 times in a week and you do not have to wash it out. You can also use this as a pre-poo on your wash days. And when you want to use it as a pre-poo, there is no need to solidify it or put it in the refrigerator. You can use the oil as is because it's going to be much easier to apply it. Do not also forget your edges. If you're balding, if you have any problem on your hair, remember this is not just an oil. It has natural ingredients added to it that is going to treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have given a thumbs up and I hope to see you in my next one.